Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a filter between modules in your automation scenario. We're going to walk through a simple, reliable way to control what data flows from one module to the next, using a filter. This is perfect when you only want specific items, like messages where the subject contains the word lead, to continue through your workflow. I'll explain each action clearly so you know not just what to click, but why it matters. Start by opening your scenario. Think of your scenario as the workspace where your automation lives. When it's open, you'll see your modules laid out on the canvas. If you're just getting started, make sure the two modules you want to control are visible and ready. Next, connect the two modules. A connection creates the path your data takes from the first module to the second. When that connection is in place, you'll see a line between the modules. That line is important because it's exactly where the filter will sit and decide what gets through. Click the line between modules to bring up the connection options. This opens a small menu or panel associated with that link. From here, click Set up a filter. Filters act like checkpoints. They evaluate each item against your rules and only allow items that meet those rules to pass. Enter a clear, descriptive filter name. A good name helps you and your teammates understand the purpose at a glance. For example, only subjects with lead is concise and meaningful. Avoid vague names so you can quickly scan and manage multiple filters later. Now set your condition. Choose the field you want to check. Here, select subject. Then pick the operator contains, and type the value lead. Using contains is helpful because it will match phrases like new lead or lead inquiry. Keep an eye on spacing and capitalization if your platform treats them strictly, and keep the value simple to reduce false matches. Once your condition looks right, click OK. This confirms the filter and attaches it to the connection. You should see an indicator on the line showing a filter is active, which is a great visual cue that your rule is in place. Finally, click Save. Saving preserves your changes and ensures your filter is applied the next time the scenario runs. That's it, your modules are connected, and your filter will now allow only items with a subject containing lead to move forward. You can always revisit this setup later to refine the name or adjust the condition as your workflow evolves.